Hello and welcome to the Moorhead-Outlet store. In today's video, we're looking at a 2008 New Holland BR7090 in good condition. Let's look at some of the features on this round baler. This BR7090 produces 5x6 foot round bales in its variable bale chamber and features a standard width pickup with hydraulic lift and dual gauge wheels, along with auto twine wrap control, an electronic Bale Counter, and Bale Kicker. This BR7090 is powered by 1000 RPM power takeoff. Thank you for viewing this 2008 New Holland BR7090. If you're interested in this round baler and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 877-886-7010. And don't forget to check out our website at TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store, guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.